There, fellow Android users. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, where we unravel the mysteries of technology. Today, I've got something cool for all of you Snapchat aficionados. I will show you how to get the much loved dark mode on Snapchat for your Android device. Let's jump right into it. Access Settings. Open your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon located on the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Choose App Appearance in the Settings menu. Scroll down and find App Appearance. This is where the magic happens. 3. Select Always Dark. Tap on App Appearance and choose Always Dark. That's it. Your Snapchat app will be now sporting the stylish dark mode. Feel the difference as your app gets that sleek and darker look. Enjoy the comfortable browsing experience even in low light. All set to rock the dark mode on your Snapchat app for Android. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Skillful Solutions for more amazing tech tips, and hit that notification bell.